Which one will it be? Oh, both of them are coming. I think we'll ride both of them here. It's going to be a Keighley lift. It's the left one. We're gonna go in this one. And we're gonna go down to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Capacity is 33 persons, 2,500 kilos.
Floor
Here we are, 1. Go back up to 3.
Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
That's where the Keighley nameplate was originally.
Floor 3.
Here we are, 3. And a nice motor as well.
Doors closing.
There it goes. I think the mod, I don't know when the mod was, but the buttons and the new indicator and a voice were added in the early 2000s. Here it is.
Going down.
Can go down to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Capacity is 33 persons, 2,500 kilos. It's also built in the 80s. Very nice lifts here. The door's a bit wobbly on this one.
Floor 1.
Here we are at 1.
Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Door slams. There's the capacity in the Windcrest phone.
Floor 3.
There goes the button. Here we are.
Doors opening. Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
And that's it. Take of the other lifts at the Lairage multi-storey car park. This is the only one maintained by lift specialists, and it's a Keighley lift. Capacity 16 persons, 1,250 kilos. Back up to 3.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
It's got the
Doors
oh, hang on.
going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
If it's not going up, we'll have to go in the other one.
Doors
No, it's not going up.
Going up.
It's not going up. Gonna have to go up in this one. This one's got no voice. Let's see here. This one's going up. Here we are at 3. They just need to clean them, not refurbish them. Very nice lifts here, but they've all been... Oh! This one's been put out of service. And that's it.